To delete your Home Credit account, follow these steps. Contact customer service. You need to get in touch with Home Credit's customer service team to request account closure. You can do this by calling their helpline, sending an email, or reaching out via their mobile app. Prepare necessary information. When contacting customer service, have the following details ready: your account number or contract number, your personal identification, reason for closing the account, clear any outstanding balance. Make sure that your account balance is fully paid off. Home Credit will not close an account with any pending payments. If you have an outstanding loan or payment, it needs to be cleared first. Request account deletion. Once your balance is cleared, request account closure. Home Credit will guide you through any final steps, such as confirming your identity or signing a closure agreement. Follow up. After requesting account closure, follow up with Home Credit to confirm that your account has been closed. Ensure you receive a confirmation email or letter. Check your credit report. After account closure, check your credit report to ensure the account is marked as closed or settled.